How to change the style of your avatar on your Reddit. Welcome guys, I will show you how to do this. So just watch and follow this video until the end. First open your Reddit like this. And right now when you will open your Reddit, you just have to come here, click on your profile. So click on these settings and go click style avatar. As you see, it's loading and it will show you a paid avatar or style avatar. Right now we are looking for the free one. Click edit, and from here you can edit, for example, some icon. I can use this. Here I can change the dress. It's almost free, and now just like this. And here you can change the outfit, the top, the bottom, the hair, the face, the eyes, everything. And guys, when you finish, don't forget to click save. And that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.